How to create a Facebook ad. If you want to advertise on Facebook, here's the tutorial. First, open Facebook app on your phone. And then make sure you have a pen page. And make sure you have a content that you want to promote in Facebook, like this. And in your pen page, click on menu icon at the top right. And then click your name at the top. And scroll to your contents. Choose one content that you want to advertise on Facebook. And click Boost Post under the content. Choose your goal. What results would you like from this ad? Automatic, get more video views, or get more leads. In this case, I select get more video views. And you can set the button and enter URL. For example, and then set your audience and create new audience that you want to target. Audience name, for example, test ad. And region or location, you can choose country or your specific city. For example, Banjarmasin. Banjarmasin is my city in Indonesia. And click save. And then you can select characteristics, add interest, maybe sports games. Okay, and then click save. And you can set age, maybe from 23 to 45. And select gender, maybe all or just men or just women. I select men. And you can see estimate audience size. If everything is good, click save audience. And then set placements. Choose where your ad will appear. More platforms help improve results. You can also place in Instagram too and Messenger too, or no. Only Facebook or Facebook and Instagram is the best. And budget. You can set your budget for this ad. For example, just 100,000 rupiah. And you can set duration of your ad, maybe just 3 days. And you must advance maybe 100,000. And select your payment method that you want. After you complete your payment, you can click Boost Post Now, and your ad will run in Facebook. Okay, so that's all the tutorial on how to create a Facebook ad. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video and have a nice day.